Good morning. I'm Adam and this is Old Man Running. Today we're going to discuss easy runs. We're just on a new path between Keswick and Threlkeld. All nicely paved now. Oh, and Bella's back with us. She's just about running full time with us again now. Haven't really taken her on any of the long runs yet. But we're just building it back up. So the idea with the easy run is to keep it easy. You're only ever going to do it too hard. The problem is with Strava and all the other social media things, it's easy to push that pace a little bit. Swap arms. Tripping over the dog. She's a bit out of practice. So the run today is going to be about an hour with some strides at the end just to get that leg turnover in. But we had a hard long run yesterday, so today's the easy run, and really it's just an active recovery day. Just to let those legs recover a little. This path's quite impressive now actually. There's quite a lot of work gone into it. We did have a path that went under the bridge and round. But they've reinstated now one of the old railway tunnels. Does make you wonder why they actually decommissioned it in the first place. Because putting the path in round can't have been easy. Yeah, it's rather quite impressive through here now. Yeah, so actual benefits of keeping a run nice and easy is really you're still getting that calorie burn. You're going to burn roughly the same amount of calories on a slow mile as you would a fast. But there's things like the efficiency of it, improvements in your form, and you're also getting a lot of the physiological benefits as well of just that increased capillary bed, improving the blood flow to your muscles, increased numbers of mitochondria and stuff like that. So they aren't junk miles. Not to mention the benefit of just being out and not worrying about pace, splits, and just taking a minute just to have a look around. And obviously getting a dog walking. Another advantage of keeping a lot of the miles easy is that you're reducing a lot of the stresses and strains on the whole body, really. Muscles, tendons, bones. Whoa. Gotta play around a bit, haven't you? And reducing those stresses, you're drastically going to reduce your injury risk as well. And touch wood, we're doing alright at the minute. We've had quite a few weeks of running relatively high mileage. Nowhere near as high as we're going to get. Without really picking up any little niggles, which means we can be a bit more consistent. And it's the consistency that's going to make you improve. So I'm surprised how quiet it seems to be on here this morning. I was expecting it to be a little bit busy, but there's not very many people around at all. We've got the river providing us with a lovely little soundtrack. Yeah. It's definitely not bad. Better than actually running on a road. So we've just got to 3 miles in. And just about ready to turn around, I think. Timed that quite well, because I think we're just about to reach the end of the path. Here, Bells. Come on in. So yeah, we're just about to come to the end of the path. We've got the A66 just blocking a lovely view of Clough Head. A few little zigzags. May as well go all the way up. Yeah, just so it's where we've come from. Yeah, so we're at the Threlkeld end of the rail trail. Not the nicest noise at this bit. Apparently it's 5 kilometres, which means the Garmin was about right. That's always good to know. There's Bella behaving herself. The amount of investment that must have gone into this path must be massive. With the number of bridges they've had to replace, and the fact it's now paved the whole way as well. So, let's get back down towards Keswick. So we've ditched the hat because it's not actually that cold today. Hey boss. Somebody going a lot quicker than me. You alright? How you doing? Going a lot quicker than me. Okay, so we've got a bit of snow on top of some of the fells, but it's not actually that cold a day today. But as easy run, the pace we should be running it at is what they call a conversational pace. What a lot of people say is conversational pace. The pace is completely irrelevant really, because it'll depend really what you've done previously. But considering we've run about an 18-minute 5k at the start of this journey, as easier runs are probably 2, maybe 3 minutes a mile slower, and we're not really having much of a problem talking to the camera, so we're definitely going slow enough. It should mean we've got plenty in reserve for when we want to put a bit more effort in. But for me, this week in general is going to be a lower mileage week and generally an easier week, which we do periodically in as training. Did have one week where we just didn't motivate ourselves to get out, so we took that as a really easy week and then started again the week after. The idea is not to beat yourself up too much about missing that week, and then make the most of the rest and start again. It's good having Bella back running with us. Be nice when we've got her on the longer runs on the fells. She's really good when we're on paved areas. She generally just runs at the side of us. It's a complete contrast to when we're on the fell. She's here, there and everywhere. So we're just over 6 miles into the run, and almost at the end really, almost back at the car. Probably timed it quite well, because if we turn around, I don't know if you can see, it looks like there's a fair bit of weather rolling in over that side, so I think we're going to avoid getting wet. So I did quite a lot of training to heart rate, and that went really quite well, but the easy runs were probably done at a slightly higher intensity than I'm doing them at the moment, because at the minute I am just trying to run on feel, ditch the chest strap, The wrist-based heart rate monitors, I just find them completely hopeless, if I'm honest. They're alright for your daily activity tracking and your resting heart rate, but I'd never suggest using them if you're actually dedicated heart rate training. Yeah, so we're just running mainly on feel. But I think that's his run done. So yeah, it's just over about 6.25 miles done at a very leisurely pace today. Feel quite comfortable now. I feel a lot better for that actually. I found yesterday's long run hard work, but we have done 2 quite long runs quite close together, so I think I was just a bit tired, so that's kind of loosened us off just nice. If you've liked this video, give it a good thumbs up, and if you can subscribe to the channel, that'd be great. And we'll try and get some more content up quite soon, and we'll get Bella on the fells. See you soon.